Okay, y'all. We are going to make a pair of earrings. And this is, let's see how long. I'm right at, I guess, 3 3/4 inches. And we're going to go ahead and make a loop up here at the top. And this is 20 gauge dead soft copper wire. And we're going to just go around it. I've got it short, so I need a pair of pliers. If you leave your ends longer, you can do it with your hand. But I don't like to waste my wire. Alright, we'll get that one done. And do this one. Same way. Now see, if you have a long piece, you can just grab it and with dead soft, well, I can pretty much take it all the way, but there you get to that little end there, and you have a hard time getting on around there. And if y'all are interested in pictures for your wall or anything, I've got some listed. And you'll see it in the description below. I'll try to add it on. I know I have a post going out, so. I've put up some of my photography and some of the I'm working on putting up some of my artwork. But it seems like the one I tried to put up, I've got one up. But one I tried to put up, I don't know if it's blues or greens that computer did not like screenshotting, or not screenshotting, but that computer did not like scanning it. I don't know why. I'm going to put them on like that. And I tried to edit it and I gave up the other day. So I guess it's blues and greens that it really don't like to be true to color. I don't know. But it's on Fine Art America. And it's a museful life, but it's a museful, and then a space, and then life. So I don't know if I want that much at the end or not. I'm going to do a little spiral down here at the bottom. I think I'm going to cut some off. Probably about there. And then we're going to take the other one, so they'll be the same, or at least as close to the same as we can make them. Because anything handmade is not going to be the same. Alright. That's close. And then, got these little beads sitting here, they're in my way. Oops, wrong one. I looked at the handles and not the top. I want to curl that over. Well, I'll let my little point get out of there. And what we're going to do is we're going to take these, and I hope they'll work to walk it around. That way we don't scar up our wire. We'll roll it around. Turn it back a little bit and keep rolling. Tighten it up a little bit like that. Take our little tiny ones. I think it's sliding. We want to take it and bend it back. That way it'll hold these beads tight. I should have did that on the first one, but I did it later on. Turn it back and tighten it up. Try to get it tight so it'll hold them beads tight. And make sure it's mashed flat. And I'm using these antique copper looking ear wires. And this will tarnish after a while, so in time it'll match. And you just twist it open on the back. And I always try to put it like that instead of like that to the front. I think if you put them both the same way, they'll just look better. That may be just me, I don't know. I don't know if anybody else does it like that. That's just how I do it. And there we go. There's our earrings. That one's a little loose yet, so maybe we can tighten it up just a little bit more. That's the only issue with these is probably should have went and did the curl at the bottom first. So I haven't done any like these in a long time. I tightened it up a little bit. Okay. There's our earrings. Well, that one ain't quite so tight either. See how much I can twist it to get it to tighten up. I might have to get my pliers instead of these because these have got too much give in them. Let's see these. I was trying to protect the wire. But I guess sometimes you have to have a little bit more force. Alright. There we go. And there's our ear wires. There's our earrings. Yeah, I wound up having to tighten them with that because these have too much give to them. So, y'all, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking out to the end. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.